What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about week 7 of the Supreme drop list. I haven't done one of these in a while. I just got kind of bored of it for a little bit, but I decided to do it because I have nothing else to do and I want you guys to be informed about what's going to be dropping. So we have a couple heaters dropping this week, especially my favorite one is going to be, well, I'll talk about that at the end of the video, but let's go to Supreme Community, start from the bottom and go all the way to the top as usual. So yeah, let's start. Alright, so the first thing we have right here is this tank 5-panel snapback. I think it's like this trucker hat right here. You have this graphic of a tank with this box with Supreme on the side right there. I don't really like straight brim hats, so if these were like curved brim or something else, I might be a fan of, but these are kind of whack and I'm not really a big fan of it. Alright, so the next item we have right here is this animal sweatpant right here. You have it in a black, pink, orange, green, and a gray. The graphics kind of cool. I kind of wish they were more of like, you could kind of decipher more of their face of the animals, but on these are just kind of sketched up, not too insane, but the graphics cool. I like it, and it's not, I mean, it's not bad. Alright, next we have is this cotton mesh gradient short sleeve right here. That just says Supreme, established 1994. Not a fan. The graphics kind of whack and the colorways are just as whack. Next thing we have right here is this animal hooded sweatshirt. Like I said with the, whoa. Alright, well, yeah, alright. Now looking at the graphic of this, the sweatshirt is a lot better than the sweatpants. I actually like these kind of like mythical like animals and like a combination of a bunch of animals put together. But my favorite color is going to be that gray, just because of that purple makes it pop a little bit more, and just I'm a big fan of it. Next we have is this digital digital logo track pant right here. This is whack, honestly. They could have done a lot better. I feel like it's just lazy, just those digital logos right there saying Supreme on the left. No, on the right leg right there. It's whack. It's not anything crazy. Then we have this, I don't know how to say this, but raffia camp cap. These camp caps are trash. They're terrible. I would not recommend going for them just because they're so ugly. Then we have this suede 6-panel hat. These are okay just because the suede is nice. I wish they would have done something different other than that Supreme Paris. I wish it would have been like, I don't know, maybe like a box logo or like English font right there, but just I like it because of the materials, not because of what it says on the hat. Next we have the Supreme Vanson leather. What is this? This leather bag right here. I don't really like it, honestly. It's kind of find it ugly, and since I'm not a fan of, well, I'm not a fan, I don't carry a bag with me like that. I never have. I'm not a fan of this, and I'm not going to be going for that this week. Next we have is this digital logo track jacket, just like the sweatpants. I'm not a fan of these, so we're just gonna skip on and go to the next thing. Next thing we have right here is this painted logo short sleeve. This is honestly dope just because of the colors, and the graphics kind of wicked too. Like it just was like melted paint, like paint is just dripping everywhere. But this like purple and bluish one, the colorway in the middle is my most favorite one, and that one's just the dopest one. I might be going for it just for personal, I'm not sure yet, but that one's the best one. Next we have this Supreme Vanson leather jacket, just like the leather bag. I'm not a fan of these. The red one is the better one out of these, but I don't have any leather jacket and I'm not a fan of it, so I won't be going for it. And since it's leather and it's a collab, it's most definitely gonna be like $700, so that's a no-go for me. And then the next item we have is this Intarsia script. I hope I didn't butcher that, but it's a script short sleeve right here. That baby blue and that yellow one is the most firest one, but I would say this is an okay graphic. It's not anything crazy, it just says Supreme right there in the middle of your chest. But that baby blue and yellow one is my favorite one. It might be a personal, I'm not sure yet. I just need to see the price on it. And since they don't have the prices on yet, I can't really decide. Then we have this Supreme helmet right here. This thing is honestly just so funny. I don't know why, but it's kind of like, you can't even decipher if like you weren't into Supreme, you would not be able to see what it says or make out what it says on the whole helmet. But this is a funny accessory, but I'm not gonna be going for it because I don't have a bike, first of all, and I don't have a need for this. All right, next we have is this splatter dye beanie. I feel like these are just gonna go because of the Supreme box logo, but the white one is kind of fire in my opinion. That white one looks the cleanest out of all of them. So I might be going for that one. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I'm not really sure about what I'll be going for this week, but I do know one item for sure that I'm gonna try to cop for myself, and we'll talk about that pretty soon because this week is kind of short and this video is gonna be a little bit short because the drop list is short. So the next item we have right here is this the next item we have right here is this waterproof lighter case right here, just a keychain little accessory, waterproof lighter. I don't smoke, so I don't really have a need for it, even though I collect the Zippos and I don't have any reason to have those either. But with this, I wouldn't go for it just for my personal because I know it's just so small and it's probably gonna be like kind of expensive for the size that it is, so I'm not gonna be going for that. And then the second thing we have right here, the next thing we have right here is this Motion logo beanies. Anything Motion logo that they've ever made, anything Motion logo, I'm telling you right now, is always gonna sell out fast and it's always gonna go for a good resale price. And it's no exception with these. This beanie, as well as the hoodie that I'm gonna be talking about soon, they're gonna be reselling and they're gonna sell out quick. My favorite color though is the purple one, just because, I don't know, that purple one just really pops out for me and I like it a lot, just because the type of purple they chose, the color purple they chose is the right purple. It's not like anything light or like super like washed out. It's just the right amount of purple that they chose. Just like I said, this is gonna sell out, but they have it in a black, a gray, a green, a red, a white, a yellow, and a purple. All these are gonna sell out, so whichever one you get, you're gonna be in luck. Next we have is this Motion logo hoodie. I'm kind of trying to go and cop multiple, maybe two. One because I want one for my personal, and the second one just to resell. And if you guys did want to, I'm gonna just plug it right here. If you guys did want to win anything raffled from Supreme that you weren't able to get, but I was able to get on a couple Supreme drops, just follow my resale page right here, is Supreme Raptors. I'm gonna try to be doing a little bit of a raffle style type of deal on those things, and if not, I'll just be throwing some deals on there for the items that I have for sale. So if you guys wanna go check that out and support, make sure to follow it and wait for the raffles that are about to be happening on there. But like I said earlier with the beanie, the purple Motion logo is gonna be my favorite one, the personal one that I'd be going for. But also any other colorway that I'm able to get, I'm not gonna be complaining because they are all honestly fire. And that Motion logo is fire as well. Like that Motion logo is a classic and it's just an overall nice piece just to have. It's clean, simple, just a little Motion Supreme logo right in the middle of the chest. Nothing crazy, so it's gonna be clean. But that's gonna be it for the Supreme drop list this week. It is shorter than usual, but I feel like with all this thing that's going on, with this pandemic going on in the world, they don't want to release too many things because of some type of risk, I would suppose. But if you guys did enjoy the video this week, make sure to drop a like. Comment down below maybe what was your favorite item of this week so far, and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh wait, I'll see you in the next one.